Hello and welcome to SwapSpace Exchange tutorial. In this video you will know how to exchange BTC to ATA with our service in just a few easy steps. On SwapSpace homepage, choose the currency you are willing to swap in the You Send section. Pick it in the drop-down list or use the search bar. Just start printing the name or ticker of the cryptocurrency. Next, enter the number of coins you want to exchange. Now, select ATA in You Get section. You can also use the search bar. You will instantly see the approximate amount of ATA you will receive. Be sure that you are not sending the amount less than the minimum one because there is a minimum amount for every exchange. After that, press the View Offers button. Here you'll see the list of exchange services that provide the BTC to ATA swaps. As an exchange aggregator, we strive to provide all important data about our partners. You may choose an offer based on the partner's rating, ETA, support rate, and of course the exchange rate. You can also toggle between fixed or floating rates. Choose the variant you like the most and click the exchange button. We will go for the best rate option. On step 2, you need to enter the recipient ATA address where you would like to see your crypto. You can use Simple Hold Light Wallet or Trezor Connect to provide the address. You can also provide a refund BTC address in case it will be needed. Check the information carefully and make sure that everything is correct. Transactions are irreversible, and you can't get your money back. If everything is fine, hit the next button, and you will be directed to the next page. On step 3, you need to send the specified amount of BTC to the address you will see on the screen. You can use the QR code to make it faster, or you can simply use one of the wallets integrated into our service. At this step, the exchange status is awaiting payment. It means that our exchange partner is waiting for your deposit. After the exchange service has received your crypto deposit, the status changes to processing, which means that your exchange is being processed. Use the swap tracker to check the exchange status. After our exchange partner has sent you the ATA, the transaction status shifts to completed. Click Show Details to see your transaction hash and other attributes of the exchange. And that's it. Now you've learned how to swap BTC to ATA in a fast and easy way. Rate your experience with the chosen exchange service with our inbuilt rating system, or leave a full review about SwapSpace on Trustpilot. Thanks for watching and hope to see you on SwapSpace.